to have lunch at Chick-Fil-A, so let's go inside. Excuse me, Pink Tank Engine, but I need to buy some food here, so can you please move?
First off, my name is Rosie the Pink Engine, and second off, I got here first, so can you please be patient and wait your turn?
Absolutely not. I need to get something to eat. I don't wait in lines.
Well, you know what people say, be patient and understanding. Life is too short to be vengeful or malicious.
Oh, where did you get the quote from?
Well, this quote came from my favorite author, Phillips Brooks. He made that quote about being patient and understanding.
I don't care about being patient and understanding. I just want to get some food, so can you please move?
Dark Rabbit Bowser, what did I tell you? Be patient and wait your turn.
Fine. I'll just have to cut in front of you. Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Hey, what gives? You can't just cut in front of me like that. That's against the rules.
Well, I shouldn't be waiting in this line. I just want to buy some food.
Hey, is everything okay?
No, everything's not okay. Dark Rabbit Bowser has cut in front of me. I told him to be patient and wait his turn, but he wouldn't listen to me.
Dark Rabbit Bowser, how dare you cut in front of Rosie the Pink Engine? You know that you have to wait in line if you're trying to get what you want. That's it. I have no choice but to kick you out and ban you from Chick-Fil-A. Go home right now.
Disappointed doesn't even describe how we feel, Dark Rabbit Bowser. We can't believe you cut in front of Rosie the Pink Engine at Chick-Fil-A and got kicked out and banned from Chick-Fil-A.
You know that you have to be patient and wait your turn when you're in a line at a public place.
That's it. You're grounded for 15 weeks.
Go upstairs to your room, right now.
And don't come out until dinner time.